When it comes to sneakers, one of the things I like the most is that it kind of transcended from you wearing what is hype and what is trendy and what is current to whatever it is that you like. Parang sneakers as an expression of your individual fashion, of your individual preference, of your individual style. There's this one brand that I've had my eye on for a while. Several reasons. One, family history. Hindi obvious, pero nung bata ako, actually, nagte-tennis kami ng magulang ko. So there's that strong affinity for the brand kasi it's something that you would usually see on court. My late father celebrated his birthday noong January. So happy birthday, Dad, wherever you are. And that's the reason why nung nakita ko naglalabas na ng sneakers tong particular brand na to, I knew that I really wanted to at least have one or two pairs to add to my collection. And of course, that is the brand Lacoste. Tada! So here we have it. This is the Lacoste 2K24. So nakita nyo naman yan, that iconic crocodile over here. And then if you pop the box open or if you get the box out of the paper bag na ayaw niyang lumabas, yan. So you have it in the iconic green and white Lacoste colorway. You have the crocodile over here. You have the details of the shoe. Ayun, nakasulat siya. Oh. So this is in the white, blue, and red colorway. So bakit yun yung pinili kong colors? Well, fan ako ng Gundam. Ayun yung kulay ng Gundam. So, ganun din. So anyway, so buksan na natin siya. So you have the Lacoste like tissue paper thing that usually comes in sneakers. And then, you know, whew, here you have it. This is the, parang laki, no? Size 13 kasi ako. So, baka nagugulat yung mga tao. Now, when it comes to the sneaker, it's really a mix of the technology and the overall style. In terms of technology, one of the things that stands out, obviously, is the spikes at the bottom. This actually helps with movement and friction so that hindi kayo madadapa-dapa. You also have that EVA sole, which makes it more comfortable, and it is reinforced by TPU. So, ibig sabihin yan, not only is it soft, but it also gives you enough support while you are walking or while you are running. Now, when it comes to the upper, you have a mix of mesh, suede, and leather. Those are familiar elements that you would see with running sneakers, and when combined together, it makes for a very comfortable and breathable upper for the sneaker. So, ito yung mga tipong sapatos na while it has a very strong, sporty, athletic vibe, primarily, it is worn for everyday wear. Parang aesthetic, parang everyday comfort. And at the same time, it gives you that semi-chunky feel and look, no? Now, apart from that, if you take a look at the inside of the shoe, it is very plush. It is very pillowy soft so that it cradles your feet 360 degrees. So that whatever part of your foot, you get that pillowy sensation while you are walking in them. So you get a sense for where the designers were headed towards. Now, you would get the functional benefit of a sports lifestyle kind of sneaker, but it would still be something that you would also want to wear every day. This is one of those shoes that are very light on feet, and you could walk with them the whole day, especially if you are traveling, if you are, you know, going around, especially on trips, and you would want like a shoe to wear. I think this is one of those pairs that you'd want to get. Now, seeing as it is Lacoste, some people are probably thinking, uy, baka mahal yan. Now, the good news is, this doesn't cost near that. This actually just will set you back around 8,900 pesos. So yun, if you guys are looking for a pair that you would want to take a look at to add to your sneaker collection, it comes in multiple colors, hindi lang siya white, blue, and red. We will show a picture here with the magic of editing. Jigs, with the magic of editing. Avram, editing. So again, ultimately, it is an expression of you guys. And maybe yun yung parang where I want to end this video on. When it comes to shoes, the temptation to buy something that's hype is always there. And the best form of style and the best form of expression is what is true to you and what is comfortable to you. So there you have it, the Lacoste 2K24. Make sure to check them out. I'll put a link down below on where you guys can get more information about the sneaker. That said, thank you for watching. This is Carlo signing out. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.